You won't believe Coca Cola's production process. Thousands of bottles of cola are produced every day in this huge factory. It is combined with carefully prepared syrup to give the unique taste of cola. In the next stage, this prepared beverage is filled into Coca Cola's iconic glass bottles through automatic filling lines. The bottles are tightly closed with vacuum caps, which ensures the freshness and fizz of the drink is preserved for a long time. As a final step, each bottle is adorned with Coca Cola's iconic label and placed in cardboard boxes or plastic wrap to be delivered to stores and consumers worldwide. Ever wondered how Pepsi is made? Overall, Pepsi's production process involves a combination of advanced technology and automated systems focused on quality control and efficiency. The finished product is then distributed and stored for sale to retailers and consumers. If you're wondering how to make Sprite, you're in the right place. Each of the ingredients is put through a strict quality control process at the factory because a great Sprite starts with great ingredients. The prepared beverage is transported to high-tech filling lines. On these lines, each Sprite bottle is filled quickly and hygienically. The bottles are sealed with special caps. These caps are designed to preserve the freshness and quality of the beverage. How to make orange juice. Oranges are carefully selected and washed thoroughly to remove any dirt, dust, or pests. Oranges go to the juicing section. Here, the oranges are both juiced and completely separated from their peels using modern machines. This fresh orange juice, which passes quality control, is finally transported to the filling stations. Here, the beverage is bottled under sterile conditions. We will discover how to make those crispy potatoes served in fast food restaurants. The potatoes are moved to the cutting section. Here, special machines cut the potatoes into those perfect thin strips we're used to seeing in fast food restaurants. Each potato is cut to equal size and the ideal thickness for perfect roasting. The cut potatoes are then subjected to blanching. This process gently cooks the outer surfaces of the potatoes, keeping the inside soft. Additionally, blanching helps keep the color of the potatoes nice and golden. Only the freshest and highest quality meats are used here. Meat is sourced from carefully selected farms and undergoes quality control as soon as it reaches the factory. This ensures that the burgers always maintain the same standard of taste. Spice mixtures specially prepared at the factory are added to our meat. The prepared meatballs move to the cooking belt. Here, high-tech grills cook the patties evenly and perfectly. These grills ensure that every patty is perfect in every aspect, revealing the secret of burgers that are crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Flour, yeast, water, and a pinch of salt, carefully selected for hamburger buns, form the delicious basis of hamburger buns. The swelling process of the dough creates the unique light and airy structure of the bread. The dough is shaped into hamburger buns by precision machines. These machines ensure that each slice of bread is perfect in size and shape. When placing breads on baking trays, leave enough distance between them so that they do not stick to each other while baking. McDonald's uses a combination of refrigeration, proper storage techniques, and shipping logistics to keep its vegetables fresh. Additionally, all foods are tested in modern factories. They work closely with suppliers to ensure vegetables are harvested at the right time and stored at the correct temperature to maintain freshness. Additionally, McDonald's has strict quality control measures to ensure only the freshest vegetables are used in its products. The cheese used in McDonald's cheeseburgers is typically processed American cheese. It's a soft, smooth, and creamy cheese that melts easily, making it a popular choice for cheeseburgers. Processed cheese is made by heating and blending cheeses with other ingredients and emulsifiers, then squeezing the mixture onto a cooled, smooth surface. This gives the cheese its unique flavor, texture, and melting properties. The most important thing for a beautiful tomato paste is ripe tomatoes. When they are delivered to the factory, their first job is to clean them well in large washing tanks. The washed tomatoes are then transported to specially designed crushing machines. These machines gently crush tomatoes into a smooth puree. This puree forms the basis of tomato paste. If you can't wait to see how these tiny, colorful balls of deliciousness are produced, don't forget to watch our video until the end. The liqueur goes through various stages and is mixed with milk powder and sugar, thus obtaining the perfect chocolate dough. The chocolate dough is then poured into tiny chocolate discs. Now we get to the fun part, the coloring phase. Each chocolate disc enters a special coating machine to take on vibrant and bright colors. These machines rotate the chocolates and apply an equal amount of colored coating to each one. It forms the soft cake base of choco pie. The dough is carefully processed to have a light structure filled with air, ensuring that the cakes remain fluffy and soft when baked. On top of the filling, each of the cakes is covered with a rich chocolate sauce. This chocolate provides both an aesthetic shine and an extra layer of taste. The chocolate coating completes their iconic look and keeps them fresh by making them waterproof. The journey of their wafers begins with the selection of the highest quality ingredients. Flour, butter, and natural cocoa, which form the basis of these delicious wafers, are carefully selected. It is thinned to form the crispy base of the wafers and formed into layers in special machines. After the layers are rolled out thinly and evenly, they are cooked at high temperatures, revealing their unique crispy texture. After the creamy wafer layers are placed on top of each other, the chocolate coating process begins. Finally, the chocolate-coated wafers are cooled and transported to the packaging line. It is one of Japan's most popular snacks. It is produced in factories and even has many fans abroad. People of all ages enjoy eating chocolate-covered biscuit sticks and trying the limited edition delicacies that periodically grace the shelves of local grocery stores.